Well, hello everyone. So I just wanted to get on here and remind you all that the Shopify course is still on sale. We are going to leave that on sale until Friday. I really want you all to have a website. Like I said, even if you choose to go on YouTube, just do whatever it takes to get a website before Black Friday, whether you have customers or not. If you don't have customers and you're struggling to get customers, join the mentorship program, okay? But I would suggest that even if you have 15 customers, I would suggest you go ahead and build out that website and let's start working on our email list and stuff like that before we go into Black Friday, okay? Aside from just Black Friday, I know some business owners don't do Black Friday. But aside from that, Christmas is coming up. A lot of people are going to be wanting Christmas products. You have Thanksgiving coming up. A lot of people are going to be wanting family shirts. You have Halloween coming up, breast cancer awareness. Like, it's going to be sales galore coming in for your business. It's during this time more than any other time in the year. And so what's going to be the benefit is that you can actually, instead of taking these sales in your inbox and getting them through Cash App, Venmo, and Zelle, you can actually get them placed on your website. Now, when you get your customers to place orders on your website, or when you start sending out invoices and stuff like that, every time you collect money through your Shopify store, Shopify is going to put you in line for a capital loan. Now, a lot of y'all know y'all like to spoil y'all family. Y'all want to buy new equipment. Y'all want to invest in ads and stuff like that. You're going to be able to do that with some of these Shopify capital loans. I started at $300 and ended up with a $4,000 capital loan the last time. The way that this works is that I had to receive sales. My sales had to equal out with Shopify in order for them to offer me that amount, and then also for them to offer me the loan at all. You are not going to gain anything by taking money through Cash App or Zelle. But like I said, if you take it through Shopify, Shopify is going to give you a capital loan. Now, Shopify currently has a deal going on to where they allow you a website for $1 per month for the first 3 months. And that is going to then change into like $39.99, I think. But the thing is that give yourself 90 days and focus on customer acquisition, and I guarantee that you'll be able to pay that $39.99 per month for Shopify, okay? Like I said, not only is this going to allow you to accept multiple payment options like credit card, debit card, paying for options, is going to allow you to display more products at one time, and it's going to be organized. It's going to also give your customers a place to go back to. So say, for instance, when you start sending emails, a lot of y'all don't realize this, but emails make up at least 40 to 50% of my income on most months. Now, when I send out an email, I include links. These links go back to my website. It would be pretty silly to send out an email and not have anywhere for the customer to just check out, okay? And it's not going to be professional. So in order to send emails, you want a website for the customers to go back on and shop on, okay? Like I said, it's up to you all. The course is only $49.99. We do have paying for options available, okay? So if you go to our website, it's going to say $49.99. Add your product to cart. If you want to use Shop Pay, then go ahead and continue with your login if you've already shopped with us. But if you don't, check out as a guest. That's going to take you to Klarna, and it's going to take you to Sezzle and allow you to pay in full. So I believe it'll be like $13.49. So with all of this being said, good night, Miss Ravel. With all of this being said, $13.49 plus $1. So that's $14.39. You can have you a website built. I'll show you step by step how to create your actual I'll show you step by step how to create your actual cover photos, how to lay out your website. A lot of you all already have a website, and let's just be honest, because I said this is a new me, okay? The new me is being honest. Your websites suck. It's hard to find stuff. Whoever y'all done paid this little stanky $200-300 too, they really messed you up. And don't think I'm talking about you, because that's the reason why I started learning Shopify myself, is because I had paid somebody $300. They messed up my website, okay? And I just don't want y'all to be out here looking crazy, thinking you got a professional website, and it's not. It's not. It look ugly. They ain't even put your links at the bottom. But I'm gonna show you how to do it right. I'm gonna show you how to set it up step by step, and you'll never have to pay anybody else to do your website again. Mark my words, because if you know me, you know I do course updates. Y'all laughing, but I'm for real. Them websites be ugly. Hey, April, them websites be ugly. I be looking at sometimes, and I be like, who the heck did this for them? They need their butt whooped, but y'all really be paying people to mess y'all over, and I've done it too. So let me pop myself in the back of the head, because I've done it too, but I'm just keeping it real with you all. They do. I mean, my website was ugly too. Yeah. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I've switched up my website like 50, 11 times. And now it's like, I'm so proud of it. I'm so proud of it. And I show y'all how to build a website just like mine. Real easy to do, but it's hard when you don't know where to start or what to do. And for those of you that aren't good with Canva and don't know how to do your own graphics, I show you how to work in Canva so that you can make your own graphics. So you ain't even got to call nobody to do the design work. You don't have to call anybody to revise your site. Cara says, heck, I messed myself up. That's what I'm saying, Cara. Don't be out here looking crazy. Go ahead and get the course. It's $13.49. And then even if you started the Shopify plan, right, and then you didn't go through with your Shopify store, let me give y'all a little secret. All you got to do is use a different email address. We gonna scam the system a little bit. Just start with a different email address, okay? Start with a different email address. But like I said, it's up to y'all. I can't beg y'all to be great. I can only tell y'all. A lot of people say they want to do what I do, or they want to do what y'all see Tiffany post. But Tiffany has a website. Tiffany send out emails. Tiffany is drop shipping her products, so she's not overwhelmed with printing everything up. Because a lot of y'all work 9-to-5 jobs. Let's just be real. Tiffany work a 9-to-5 job too, but she's still making $1,000 to $3,000 with her businesses every month. Now just imagine, you already make $3,000-4,000, right? Every month. Let's just keep it a buck. We in 2023. Some of y'all make $2,000 a month at your job. $900 every 2 weeks. Tell me if I'm lying. Maybe $1,500 every 2 weeks. But number one, they got to take out them taxes. Number two, y'all know we dealing with inflation. Do y'all realize that Walmart's prices from 2020 until 2023, the price of food has literally doubled, but your paycheck is still the same? Just imagine if you had an extra $2,000-3,000, and then you working your business, you running your business, boom, Shopify email you with a $2,000-3,000 loan. I'm trying to tell y'all, if you start now, by Christmas time, by December, you will probably be able to qualify for a Shopify loan. It didn't take me long at all. Y'all see, I'm trying to finish up my hair still. But yeah, it didn't take me long at all to get a Shopify loan, y'all. I probably had my store, and granted, I was taking sales. Like, I stopped doing inbox orders. But let's see, maybe 2 months that I had my store. And the way that I grew my email list to start with, all them people that I had got on Etsy, if you know my story, you know I told y'all that I did over 100 sales on Etsy when I first started my store. Within the first 30 days, I was selling sublimation blanks. I took all of them emails from Etsy and I put them into my Shopify email list. And I started using Shopify emails, and I didn't know what I was doing, y'all. That stuff was a hot mess. And then I started looking at other people's emails and started perfecting it. And then Jeremy came along and he set up my Klaviyo, and it's just been going from there. So, I mean, I can only tell y'all what I've done. I ain't worked no job in the last 7-8 years. And I'm not perfect. I'm not living just wealthy over wealthy, but I can survive. My kids get what they need. We have food, we have the essentials. Um, so like I said, just imagine if I'm living like this without a 9 to 5, if y'all already got 2-3 thousand coming in every month, just imagine what an extra $1,000 can do. That will definitely make up for the doubled up prices in the food nowadays. But anyways, I have to go and run an errand. My daughter is at my mom's house. Y'all know I done worked out today. I called myself warming up some cabbage soup, but it was disgusting. I should have put it in a freezer safe Ziploc bag. But y'all, I just was in a rush. But it was nasty. So I went to get me some food. I'm about to go get my baby girl, and then I'm going to actually clean up the house and get my life together and stuff like that. You do not need a discount code to shop the sale. Excuse me. It's BRITTWITHTHEBL. Oh, with the blanks. Brit with the blanks. And if y'all want to look at my website, y'all can look at my website too. I'm gonna come on here tomorrow and show y'all some other websites that I've done. That's my website. Oh, I can't pin it. It won't let me pin it. That's my website down there at the bottom. Lifetime access course. It does include updates. People signed up for my course back in 2021, 2022, and they are steady getting updates. When Shopify updates, I try to go in there and do my best to update you all as well so that we are on the same page, okay? And if y'all want to know how or what my websites look like, then go ahead and visit the website, britwiththeblanks.com. While y'all on there, go ahead and get the Shopify course because y'all gonna like my website. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. My product photos, I do outsource those. I don't have time to sit down and design stuff, but I'll show you how to do some basic designs in Canva. But just don't be expecting too extravagant. I'm not a Canva instructor. I'm not a design instructor, okay? But if y'all don't have any more questions for me, as y'all see, this side is done. This side look real neat. This side is not done. I just started on the front part, but anyways, I'm going to try to make a video. Somebody asked me what I've been doing to grow my hair. 2.5 years ago, I used to shave my sides off every week, and now my hair is this long. On the sides, this is the part that I used to shave. But I'm gonna show y'all what I did to grow my hair and stuff too. Then if you need some workout motivation, make sure you look at the video that we did earlier. I did 30 minutes of cardio with y'all, okay? 30 minutes. It almost took me out, but I did 30 minutes. Positive quote for today is, I'm going to say what I've been saying on all my posts. Don't give up on you. Like, never think that it's too late. I had got up to 218 pounds within my first 2 weeks of working out. I've already lost 3 pounds. I could have been like, well, it's too late. I'm already big. It's nothing I can do. But I'm like getting up and I'm fighting back and I'm trying to, win this race. Let's just say with me getting ready to go back to school, I could say, well, okay, Brie, you about to be 32. You too old to be sitting in a classroom, but no, it's not too late for me. I remember when I was doing peer leader at the school, and it was like people way older than me that were starting at a community college, so getting their associate's degree. But it's never too late. Don't give up on you. Keep going. Don't let life you out of what you deserve, okay? A lot of us start our businesses off wrong. A lot of us start our businesses off rocky. I've started 3 businesses, and I can tell you this right now. All 3 of them were started wrong. Y'all see the growth. All 3 of them was started, on the backwards up end. And that's not, a dig at myself or anything like that, but it's just like, it's the truth. A lot of things that I've done, I've had to self-correct. Okay. I've had to self-correct. I've had to get it together. I done had to pop myself in the back of the head. I had to pop myself in the back of the head. My daddy done popped me in the back of the head. Jerry done popped me in the back of the head, trying to get this stuff right. So just know that there's time. There's time, but don't think that there's time for you to be sitting around doing nothing. There's time for you to get it right, but there's no time for you to give up. There's no time for you to slack. There's no time for you to sit up and be on TikTok and YouTube watching stuff that does not serve you all day. You know, like when I've replaced my time that I was spending, remember I told y'all that I was addicted to TikTok for a little bit? The thing that I've used to replace that has been to get up and go to the gym. So instead of watching TikTok for 2 hours, I replaced it with something positive that's going to build me up, build myself up. I love TikTok. It's a lot of good information. I ran across Gym Talk. You got Black Girl Talk. I love TikTok. You got the cooking TikTok. There's so many different levels to it, but that was not feeding me. It was not serving my purpose in life. But getting up and working out, that's adding years onto my life. That's adding, discipline so that I can be here better for you all. So just get up and get on it. If anybody else has anything positive that they would like to add to this conversation, do me a favor and leave it in the comment section. I'm going to give y'all about 2 minutes. Well, let's just say, 2 minutes is 8:38. Let's say 8:40. I'm going to give y'all until 8:40 to come on here and actually say something positive. You never know who it might help. April says it's never too late. Exactly. You never know who it might help. You never know who might be going through what. I've told y'all this before plenty of times when we've done this positivity session. Y'all have helped me. I done been down. I done been out. But, I still try to push myself and get on here for y'all. But sometimes the reason why I started those positive sessions was for me. It was for me. So, let's do this. Let's keep this thing going. We've been doing this for a couple of years now, almost, if not all of our videos. But just say something positive below. Like I said, it's 8:48. Most people are getting ready for bed. So this is something nice that they can sleep on. Even if you don't know anybody in the group, even if you don't know anybody on this actual live, just say something positive. Sonia says, don't overthink, just do it. Okay. Thank you, Miss Sonia. Who's next? We doing our positivity session. Miss Donna, do you have anything positive to say? I think that's Miss April up there. And I want to say, is that Angel Cruz too? Cara says, keep cheering for yourself. Always be your own cheerleader. Keep cheering for yourself. Always be your own cheerleader. Thank you, Miss Cara. Angel Cruz says, you are enough. Thank you, Angel Cruz. Who got next? We are spreading positivity. 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 Miss Donna says, you know me. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. Get on your Zoom. Get on your Zoom. Stay focused. One of the next things that I want to focus on is actual content creation. Like, I got so much stuff from Amazon that I need to be showing y'all, but I don't show y'all. Who else wants to spread positivity? Anybody else before we end the live? Thank you, Miss April. Oh, she had already said hers. It's never too late. But if nobody else wants to chime in, just know that I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. And I hope to see y'all on the website, BritWithTheBlanks.com. Like I said, I show you step by step how to create your own Shopify store, how to create the collections, how to do the menu and everything else. So you don't have to ask anybody else. You don't need nobody else for help. Okay, I got you. As long as I'm breathing and I can see, I got you on the Shopify. I got you on the Shopify. April says, always turn a negative situation into a positive situation. Thank you, Miss April. Do you have an example that you... No, just playing. I love y'all. Bye, y'all. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. I guess I'll go live when I get on here and do my workout too. That way I can motivate y'all. Because we bringing sexy back. Them other folks don't know how to act, or whatever the song said. Y'all remember that song from a long time ago? Who was that? Justin Timberlake? What is his name? Is it Justin Timberland or Timberlake? Anyways, Justin from the Backstreet Boys. Y'all remember that? I'm bringing sexy back. You, hey, y'all.